back. ACEP24 Day 3. Let's get going. Do you bring your residents to ACEP every year?
Every year we bring our residents here. It's a great environment to get part of the national conference, and it's a great social opportunity for everyone.
Why do you keep coming back?
This is the gathering place for emergency physicians in the world. It's the biggest gathering, and this area here is really interesting to find the cutting edge techniques. This is the place to come every year.
What do you got in there?
A lot of caffeine for some really tired people.
What's your favorite part about coming here?
The connection, getting to see my residency friends, getting to see folks from med school.
You have the best education in one place of any organization.
Who is your favorite person that you see at ACEP every year?
Oh my God, there are so many, but I had to say it's Alicia Gonzalez.
Thank you. I knew it. I knew it. Did you say you know how to use a tourniquet?
Yes.
Do you think that you could save my chicken?
Oh, yeah, sure. The airway's intact.
The airway's intact. Hi. Oh, yes. Where are you from?
Saudi Arabia. Yazid from Saudi Arabia too.
You're from Saudi Arabia? The coolest thing about ACEP is that people come here from all over the world to learn the most up-to-date medicine and to meet people from all over so that we can keep focusing on our patients together. Are we brothers?
We are.
We are?
Yeah.
Two ER doctor brothers?
Yes.
How do our parents feel about that?
I think they're ready for us to be done with school.
And that's a wrap for ACEP24 Las Vegas. We had a ton of fun and learned so much, and we hope you did too. And we cannot wait to see you next year in Salt Lake City.